Hi, my name is Zachary Matar, and I am the co-founder and a software developer for Dropil. And today I'm going to be showing you Dex. You guys asked and we listened. People wanted to see Dex working in the wild, so here you go. We've been screen recording here and there for the last few weeks and built up a lot of information that helps display how Dex works against live markets. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is pull up the time lapse that we use to track Dex, and what you're seeing is one of the many tracking tools you use to monitor what Dex is doing at any given moment. The Dex tracker shows live trading positions that various accounts we are in. Since we didn't want this video to be 24 hours long, we've sped it up with a time lapse for you. But before I pull that time lapse video up, I just want to say that we here at Dropil really love interacting with our customer base daily and hearing all the great feedback and amazing support from you guys. So before we go any further, we all wanted to say at Dropil, thank you for making Dropil great, and we're excited for the future of Dropil. And so I'm going to go ahead and open that time-lapse video. So we've been running a toned down version of Dex the last few months as we are, focused on a full-time running of the best ICO we can, and we're also putting out great new products like Arthur, the arbitrage bot, which will have awesome features in the future. And this current of Dex was running on a pool of about $250,000 to start with, and had profit pooling enabled. And this basically means that the profit over a threshold is pulled from the pool and set aside. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the beginning. And as you can see, the video was dated on 2/16 is when this Dex was running, and then we were recording the Dex tracker. So I'm going to play it, and you'll be able to see it trading. And if the current price ever goes to a 0, that means the API had an API issue with the exchange at the time of recording, which is normal. It doesn't do anything or harm anything as it gets the connection established with the API and the exchange really quick. But Dex is able to scale to accommodate very large pools and is able to spread out across 200 different unique APIs, keeping the safety and diversification at larger scales. And as you can see here, even the toned down version of Dex's system is trading on multiple coins and different exchanges using different logics and risk modes. And you can see the different exchanges right now that are currently in a position, and you can see the different coins it's trading and the different modes, and right now the type of what it's doing on the position, which is a long. And automation and diversification are key again. It is really the automation and diversification that sets Dex apart and makes it levels above other trading bots. And there's another layer of diversification that Dex uses. You can see that it's running positions on Binance, Bitfinex, HitBTC, GDAX, Poloniex, and it's also trading on different coins such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, and it's doing this all at the same time. So earlier this month, Binance went down for a few days for maintenance, and Dex was able to rely on these other options of exchanges that you see here to continue trading as one of the many benefits to automation and diversification. And as you can see, that Dex has multiple risk modes. We're running, you can see safe, moderate, aggressive, and each mode can run on multiple strategies within itself. And it looks like here are all right now all the strategies are in longing positions, as the market is clearly moving in a way where it's upward. And depending on what the logic reads in the market, it can dynamically swap to a different logic when it finds one is being inefficient, so it can go from longing to shorting. But sometimes we will see even a mix of longs and shorts and sometimes a domination of shorts. And we will find another video where decks decided to move into shorting from longing. And we can run multiple instances of this tracker and assign it to show only one exchange at a time, only one coin across all exchanges, or separate trackers by risk mode. It allows us to customize the ways to track, since we are always looking for trends and ways to improve performance safely. Even though, as you can see, Dex already does a great job and being steady, which is ideal. Aside from human oversight and logic swapping, safety nets that Dex has, he has stop losses and safety nets of a certain percentage based on particular logic at the time that dynamically creates it based on the algorithm. Dex also trades without leverage on longs and $0 liquidation leverages on shorts to ensure there are no liquidation danger compared to standard leverage trading. But as you can see, I mean, there are some losses that show up here and there, and there's no avoiding losses, and that's fine. But the only important part is the wins outweigh them. And as you can see here, they certainly are doing that. And the P&L displayed also takes in consideration fees to help us assess the position at a quick glance. So we actually have the open position price fee of the exchange and the closing fee in the profit loss. And you know, during the course of this recording, it moved a good amount of volume around, and I think off the top of my head it looks to have been added about $4,000 in profit, which is great for a day. However, this looks like a good exceptional day, and that's what's great about Dex. It really takes advantage of good markets to ensure there are plenty of gains to carry out nice averages over the days where performance is lower. But it looks like the Dex video is ending, and I'm just gonna go all the way back to the end. So slowly go through it so you can see these are trades that are happening, and we did time lapse some. So we took a screenshot every 20 seconds of the Dex tracker, and I'm slowly going through it right now to show you. And I mean, there's a lot of longing happening, so and I'm going to show you an example of what happened. There we go. Oh, missed it. Where is it? There we go. Okay, so as you can see right there, there is a current price of $0.00 on HitBTC, and the profit loss says it's negative $11,000. That's an API issue. I just wanted to point that out there. So what happened is the API, when Dex was running, hit BTC, and it disconnected for just a second when it was hitting the API. But if we fast forward a little bit, you could see right here the API reconnected, and it's actually it's winning. It's a winning trade or winning position at the moment, and I think that one ends up closing as a win as well. But if you see those, you know, when the price is $0.00, that's just an API mix-up, which does happen some time to time, and that's nothing we can prevent. It's just the exchange and Dex connecting, but it's not a problem because it gets fixed on the next API pull. So I just wanted to point that out there. But I hope you enjoyed this peek into Dex live, and be on the lookout for more of these videos in the future. We want to show Dex, you know, in a downtrend and how Dex does in a downtrend, and we'll pull up the Dex tracker as well. So thank you, and thanks for all your support, and we hope to see you soon.